Hi friends! Today we're going to learn about something very important, social skills. Social skills are the ways we talk, play, and behave with other people.
When kids use good social skills, they can make friends, understand others' feelings, and solve problems peacefully.
Hi, how are you today? I'm good, Cowbase.
First tip, notice how you communicate with others. Are you being kind and respectful?
Thanks, I like yours too.
Second tip, pay attention to how others talk and treat people. Can't catch me!
Yes, I can!
Practice social skills every day at school, at home, and while playing with friends.
Friends.
Communication skills are the key to success in any field. Number 1, communication. Speak clearly, listen carefully, and be polite.
And I'll listen carefully. Number 2, listening. Good listeners pay attention and show respect.
Number 3, solve conflicts peacefully by talking and finding fair solutions.
I want the truck.
You go first.
Hey, you look sad. What's wrong?
I lost my favorite toy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Want to play with mine?
4 tips. Notice how others feel by looking at their face, body language, and voice.
Please. Here you go.
Number 5, good manners like saying please, thank you, and sorry. Number 6, respect personal space so everyone feels comfortable. Hey, I'm next!
No, please wait your turn.
Set boundaries and speak up politely when something feels wrong. Accept others and celebrate everyone's differences.
Hi, I'm Alex. Want to play soccer? Yeah!
Making friends by being kind, helpful, and positive. Number 10, being a good friend by being honest, patient, and supportive.
Here, I saved this for you.
You're a great friend. Remember, friends, social skills get better with practice. Be kind, be brave, and never give up. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.